like he's toasting one. Good size? Just about right? What do you think, Ryan? That's
good enough.
Get another one just like him?
That's neat fish, isn't it?
Yep.
Hey, Ernie, we caught a fish.
Good job, Pop.
Back of the head.
You don't behave.
You know what that's called, Ernie? That stick.
Huh?
You know what that stick is called?
It's called a bat. What is it called?
Priest.
It's called the bitch stick.
Smile.
We can eat that one, Ernie.
Yep.